Good morning, everyone. It's Cindy with Cresin Project, and today I'm not doing a whole lot. I just have a few things that I need to have made before my event in May. I'll be doing 2 events in May, actually. I'll be doing my normal live oak artisan market, and then the following week will be the Wildflower Festival. So I'm pretty excited about that. I had my second event this past weekend, and it went pretty good. It was really windy out, which I was really nervous. A lot of my things were falling, so that was a bit of a learning curve. But other than that, the event went well, and I had a lot of fun, met some people, found out about some more events that I might want to consider being a vendor at, such as the oddities market that usually takes place in Gainesville and Ocala. So I'm going to look into that. I made some runes the other day that I would bring to the oddities event. I also have a Ouija board. Ooh. So that's something that I'm gonna make. I have more skulls, and I have some other things that I can make for that event that will be perfect. So that's something that I may vendor at coming up. I don't know exactly when. A lot of my days are either already set on the days that they will be having an event, or I already have an event going on, so we'll have to just keep checking, and I'll let you know when that happens. It's a really big event. Supposedly there's up to 100 vendors at this, so it could be something pretty big, and I'm excited, so I'll keep you posted. Today I'm doing a wine bottle holder. So basically you put the wine glasses here, and this middle part goes over the wine bottle. So I'm going to make a couple of those. Those will be perfect for the next event that I have coming up. And it's funny because a lot of people have been making these molds. It's a naked woman. I also have a naked man too, and I'm a little nervous about making it because I want it to be perfect. So I don't know, maybe it's something that I'll make later. I have a friend that I'm actually going to make one for as a joke. So I'll post about that as well. But yeah, it's been a while since I've posted a video. Not much has been going on, just was preparing for the event. My birthday passed on March 10th, and I was helping my boyfriend make some bookshelves for me. So I was really excited about that. Got all that done. They were built and stained, and I got all my books on it that I have with me right now. I used to have a lot of books. I mean, probably 2 or 3 boxes full of books, and I kept the ones that I really liked and wanted to keep and got rid of the others, and I'm really regretting it now. But can't live in the past, so I have to regrow my bookshelves. So that'll be a work in progress. But yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing some more manatees because our manatee tour and dive in Crystal River, Florida, I make them so they can sell at the shop. So if you're ever in Crystal River and you want to swim with manatees, I definitely highly recommend Manatee Tour and Dive. The swim guides are amazing. They're with you the whole time. Can't recommend enough, so check them out. All right, well, let's get this started. So I'm gonna put it on time warp, and thank you for watching my video, and Have a great day. Alright everyone, I just finished everything for the day. Here's the wine glass and champagne bottle or wine bottle holder. Excited to see how it turns out. I made the body, so we'll see how that turns out as well. Made another set of runes to go with the other two that I made. Did the manatees like I said I was gonna do. A couple other things from the leftover bits of resin that I had. So that's gonna be it for today. So tomorrow I will do a follow-up video to let you see how everything turned out. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Hi everyone, this is the follow-up video. So the runes turned out really good. I like them a lot. The only thing is I might have to do some sanding on the back because it's a little raised up. So that's something I'll do. And then I still have to finish these ones by coloring in the lines with either some white acrylic paint, or I even purchased some white gel nail polish that seems to work a lot better than acrylic paint in my opinion. I really like how this turned out as well. The only thing is I'm gonna have to do another clear layer on top of it because when resin cures it shrinks, so it shrunk a little bit, so I need to do one more layer on top just to raise it up a little bit, and then I can demold it. Let's see, the manatees turned out well like always, and the naked female body, I love it. It's really cool. There's a few bubbles, but I've learned to just get used to it. It's kind of hard to eliminate all bubbles. You can do what you can with a bubble release, one of the machines that takes out the bubbles. Let's Resin and Resin Rockers and a few other places sell them. I have learned to just deal with it. It makes it more unique, makes it to where it's not perfect, and it's never going to be perfect. That's what sets it aside, because it's a handmade item, in my opinion. There's certain things that obviously you don't want any bubbles in at all, but for little things like this, or little things that I make, it doesn't really bother me too much anymore. So that's it for today. I am not going to be able to craft anything today. I have to go do some stuff to finish a test that I'm doing, and that's pretty much going to be my day. But yeah, probably do some more crafting tomorrow, possibly tomorrow. I don't know yet. There's a Jacksonville Gem and Mineral event that's happening in Jacksonville, so I'm probably going to attend that. There's some gems and stones that I would like to get so that I can put them in my resin pieces. So that's probably what I'll do tomorrow. So I may not be able to do any resin crafting today, which is fine. It's not, or tomorrow, which is not a huge deal. I don't have another event until May, so I have quite a bit of time to get some things put together for the event. So that's going to be it, and I hope everyone has a great day and a wonderful weekend.